Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you 4 ways to remove the green background from an image. I provided the images I used, you can download them. The links and attributions are located in my video description. Enjoy watching, remember to subscribe in my channel. So let's get started. Method 1. Open the image that we will remove its background. As usual, we use the File menu and the Open command. Unlock the background. Go to Window menu and make sure that Properties is checked. Go to Properties, Quick Action, Remove Background. What if the automatic background detection doesn't work? Here is a possible solution. Select the Quick Selection tool. Click on Select and Mask. I'm working with the Overlay view. Click on the Refine Edge Brush tool and simply click and drag around the edges, to let Photoshop make a selection around those difficult to select parts. Method 2. Go to Properties, Quick Action, select Subject. Go to Select menu, Inverse. Press Delete on your keyboard. Deselect by pressing Ctrl or Command plus D. Method 3. Use Object Selection tool and Quick Selection tool, then use Select and Mask to adjust selection. Go to Select menu, Inverse. Press Delete on your keyboard. Method 4. Make a copy of the background layer. To do this, press Ctrl or Command plus J. Name it Layer 1. Create a solid color adjustment layer by pressing on Create New Layer or Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color from the list. Choose the black, then hit OK. Bring down the solid color adjustment layer under Layer 1. Choose Background Eraser tool from the toolbar. I choose Size Brush, 200 pixels, Sampling Once, Limits, Find Edges, Tolerance, 50%. And start printing. Then I choose Limits, Discontiguous, and I keep working to get this result. Now, make a copy of the background layer, press Ctrl or Command plus J, and place it above the solid color adjustment layer. Then, we will hold Ctrl or Command and click on the thumbnail of the background copy. I will delete this layer because I don't need it. Select this layer and click on the mask button. Click Alt or Option on the mask button. Select the brush tool, and paint out the extra areas with black and the interior with white. If you remove the mask layer and turn off those two layers, you get this result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.